welcome back to another AC on the Go video. We are here at Animal Kingdom in front of the Pizzafari. So yeah, now we're gonna go to our first day in Animal Kingdom.
Here's the menu for Pizzafari. They also offer mobile ordering.
It's $70 per slice of pizza.
No, you can get like the little pizza with a Caesar salad, pepperoni for like $10. Not terrible.
So we're here at the Navi River Journey. It says it's an 80-minute wait. So we're gonna see how accurate the minutes are and stuff. So let's ride it. So we were at the 40-minute mark like 5 minutes ago. And we are here at the line and we're about halfway, I would say.
We can see the entrance down there. Right there is the entrance. Finally made it to the entrance. We're about to go in, but we have no idea how much more queue line is inside. So it's been an hour. So technically we have 20 more minutes, but maybe it's less than the actual time it said. We are here, and it only took an hour. So this just maybe 5 minutes more. So more like 65 minutes when the sign said 85 minutes.
There's no fast pass. We had already ridden this and riding Flight of Passage.
That's true, but it did. And it only took us 60. It took us 65 and the sign said 80.
It said 85.
These are spirits of the ancestors.
Oh boy. That's cool. Those are cool.
So we just got off the ride. It was pretty cool. It was a great dark ride for any dark riders out there. Now we're gonna go ride Avatar. I think it was very, very detailed. It was so detailed. You could see all the details of the ride. There was like, if you just, anywhere you looked, it was just so magical and so Avatar-y. So yeah, we're gonna go ride.
It was
Flight of
really
Passage.
short though.
Yeah.
Like that would be
Unlike
my
our wait
one
time.
negative, would just be like, it was really short.
Unlike our wait time.
Yeah. Here's some of the beautiful scenery of Pandora. Pretty amazing.
Where's Flight of Passage?
Next up is the safari here in Africa. Kilimanjaro Safari. It is late. It is dark. So we're not really sure if we're going to get a lot of good footage or not of the animals, but we're going to try. We've never been on a nighttime safari, so we're going to be one of the last ones.
It's illegally sold. Their meat is illegally sold.
From the poachers.
That second rhino is up a little bit further to the left. It is a black rhino. They are about 3,000 pounds. Unfortunately, there are fewer than 5,000 left in the wild today. This is due to the fact that they are often poached for their horns. However, their horns are made out of keratin, which is the same thing as your hair and your fingernails. So there's not really any value to it. Now, they're often found in herds led by a matriarch. That's usually the oldest female in the herd.
we just finished at the safari. You saw the clips. There's not much to say. You guys have your own review. Make sure you comment down below what your descriptive review is and your descriptive words, because I have none. So
yeah, we're sorry that it was nighttime and we could only show so many clips, but we'll definitely do the safari again in the day.
Dark and raining, so it was definitely
Yeah, but it was pretty cool.
so
though.
next time we're gonna go ride the Yeti.
We are now in Asia for the final ride of the night, Mount Everest. Let's do it!
So we just rode it. We're about to ride it again. We'll come back and film it in the day, but if you can ride it at night, ride it at night. If you guys haven't seen our Mystic Timbers, that will be linked in the description and in the corners. It's kind of like that, but better. It was like super fast, and when you're going back, you can't see anything because it's night. Really fun.
Yeah, definitely if you can ride it at night, definitely ride it at night. It was pretty amazing. Not pretty amazing, it was amazing. One more quick ride that Carter wanted to get on before we leave.
Oh God! You should never leave me in charge of the spinner.
What?
You should never leave me in charge of the spinner.
I'm in charge of something.
Just like our ride at Nickelodeon Universe, right?
Yeah.
Don't touch that.
Link in the description
Don't
and up in the
touch
corner.
Does mine even work? Mine probably doesn't work.
It's just mine.
Riders in the front row can use their lever to fly higher or lower. Riders in the back row can use their lever to tilt forward or backward. Ready?
Move.
You better do it right.
I can do whatever I want to do.
Dad, please. Will you please?
I'm doing it. You just lift us up.
Not bad. Whoa!
Mine's not tilting anything.
Mine's not going down. Oh, there it is.
Oh, now it's tilting. There we go. Now I got it. Going back down.
No, we're going up.
We had a great time here at our first time at Animal Kingdom. What'd you think?
It was very animal-y. We had to wait in a lot of lines.
That's true.
We waited in at least 3 hours worth of lines today.
Like total.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which we could have just taken all that time and rode right across them.
Yeah, but we did get to do a ton of stuff. We definitely are going to be back, obviously, to film a bunch of videos in the daylight for sure, so we can get a lot more footage. But we had a great time. Everest at night was fantastic. Like top of the line, top ride. Wouldn't you agree?
I'm pretty sure I already said that.
Okay, well, we had a great time. Keep watching the videos. We got tons more coming. Leave a comment down below if Animal Kingdom was one of your favorite parks. What's your favorite go-to ride? Still a lot for us to do. So don't forget to turn on the AC.
Bye.